All right, well, piling on jackets to stay warm in the classroom. That's what thousands of kids face this week, prompting parents and teachers outrage.
And pictures of them doing that began circulating this week with city schools. Today, they're closed. The roads are fine, but the cold temperatures mean city schools are closed today in Baltimore. ABC2's Cassie Carlisle is live in the warmest place in our building that she could find. Cassie, it is not the studio where we are right now.
No, it's actually one of our boss's offices. Check out the temperature in here. It's so hot. It's like 80 degrees. That's exactly what I'm used to over in California in the summer. It's lovely. But here, you know, city school students don't have that option. And that's why two Marylanders came together to create a GoFundMe page. Check this out. $41,000 over just a day. And they're not even stopping there. Former NFL player Aaron Mabin from Mount Hebron, who's also a city schools teacher, and Samira Jones, a senior at Coppin State and graduate at city schools, joined together saying the money will buy space heaters and winter coats for the kids. Another NFL player speaking out, former Ravens wide receiver Torrey Smith was at an after-school program earlier this week and heard an announcement urging students to come to school the next day, even though there's no heat. He said, that's not right. Now, the mayor also weighed in on the debate, saying that the state has control of the city schools, and she's also saying that she wants the officials to account for their maintenance spending. She's saying that the city is going to add $2 million to their city school budget next year. That'll total $19 million, Christian and Ashley.